This is the Cat Gap Loop Trail to John Rock in Brevard. Here's a little update. The trail
is terrible.
The trail is so sandy because the water level got way up in the woods.
River here in Pisgah National Forest.
It's a beautiful day in the Pisgah National Forest.
It's a frosty 49 degrees.
The day after Christmas, 2024.
December 26th.
I mean, yeah, December 26th. Whoops. We're going for trying to walk off all this food that we ate over Christmas. And Eleanor has a duck.
This is platypus.
Platypus. Washed out part of the trail here.
Mama.
What?
The thing near the big crack isn't such steep.
Ooh. You get to hop rock the trail.
Not actually that cold.
No?
I was expecting it to be freezing. It's not actually that cold.
No, you're good. Ooh. Slickery. Okay.
Is that an airplane?
Yep.
Okay.
We're in the green tunnel now. Almost to the top. We've tried out her new. What'd you get for Christmas? A camera.
We just reached the summit, taking a water break. But Ma'am has her camera. Ma'am has her camera right there. Hey, Mom, Dad, can I start walking down? So, I'm sorry if it's a little shaky. I'm not the best, and I'm sorry if my hands are in the way. I'm not the best swimmer in the world. Okay. So, this path, just a little bit, okay. Oh, I think there's like a little bridge. I can see it. Yeah. Yay! They're kind of like a stair bridge, cause. Can you please move? It's kind of like a stair bridge, cause it goes like this, and it goes down one, and then it goes down one. But it's like a boardwalk. Because I do not see the end of it. Gray, do you see the end of this bridge? Why? I think this is a boardwalk. It doesn't really look like a bridge. Dad, we can't see what you can see. Oh, there it is, all the way down there in that corner.
No, it's right now.
Oh.
See that road right there?
Uh-huh.
That car driving across that bridge?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's the fish hatchery down there.
Oh, let me see. Hey, I want to get all the way down there.
You walk very carefully.
There, eagle. I bet he's circling something. How does an eagle see all the way down there? I can only see the road. And the cars.
Can't find him again.
dry over here.
Is that
That's not table rock. That's something else.
It looks like table rock. Yeah. That doesn't really look like a table. It looks like, well, it looks like a train. Because, you know, the different cars that go all the way down to there.
Yeah, you should definitely do a video.
So pretty.
So pretty. Motivated by Taco Bell, Baha Ha Ha Blasts,
Super duper berry blast.
we're gonna make it back to the parking lot for some food. Trail Junction, what's your function? You are here. And we're gonna go back to the parking lot.